Hi fam, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you guys how I made this restaurant style spaghetti in under 30 minutes. Let's dive right into the video. These are our ingredients. I'll be using some chicken thigh, also be using some sausages, some shrimps, some ginger and garlic, chopped onions, bell peppers, thinly sliced carrots, and some blended pepper and tomato mix. To start off our cooking, we're going to be marinating our chicken with some of the spices and seasonings you see on screen. I'm just going to be marinating this for about 30 minutes. You can do longer if you want, but I did mine for exactly 30 minutes. Just add all your seasonings and just mix thoroughly. After mixing, you're just going to cover with cling film and then set aside to rest for about 30 minutes or to marinate for about 30 minutes. While our chicken is marinating, we are going to be adding our spaghetti to some boiling water. Guys, the water has to be boiling. You do not want to boil your spaghetti together with the water. Let the water boil and then you add your spaghetti so it is not like very soft and all mushy. I'm just going to add a little bit of salt to that, and then I'll be cooking this until it is almost done. Like there should be some form of resistance to it before you take it out of the fire and then you strain. In my large wok, I'm going to be adding some vegetable oil, just enough to fry the chicken, and then I'm just going to be frying the chicken. Give that a very good stir, making sure that your heat is getting everywhere, and also you're going to know that the chicken is ready when it is no longer pink, and then your cooking spoon can literally pierce through the chicken. This shouldn't take more than 5 minutes. Trust me, it shouldn't take more than 5 minutes. And you're cooking on medium heat, not low heat, not high heat, just medium. So after cooking our chicken, we are going to remove it from the heat, and then we'll be frying our shrimp. Just add your shrimp to the pot and then just stir. Your shrimp shouldn't be on the fire for so long. I know we are Nigerians, I want to make sure it's properly cooked. Trust me, this thing doesn't take time to get cooked or properly cooked. Just cook this for about 3 to 5 minutes and you are done. 5 minutes being the highest. You know it's ready when it looks like this, so just cook that and then set aside also. Now I'm just going to be adding a little bit of vegetable oil again to my pan because I needed some more, and to that I'm going to be adding my chopped onions. I'll stir that again or saute that for about a minute or two. So I made a mistake here. Normally I was supposed to fry the ginger and the garlic paste first before adding the pepper mix, but I did not do that. So please, when you're making yours, add the ginger and garlic paste first before adding your blended pepper mix. Also, while you're doing this, you're still cooking on medium heat. Stir that properly and allow it to cook for about 3 minutes. Now I'm going to be adding my sausages to the pot, and to that I'm also going to be adding some salt, some chicken seasoning. I'll also be using some adobo seasoning, a little bit of dried thyme, and then a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. The full ingredient list is going to be in the description box, so please check that out. I'll just stir and combine until properly combined, and then I'm adding a little bit of vegetable oil again because I wanted it. You don't have to do this. This is just a personal preference. I'll allow that to cook for about 2 minutes, then I'll be adding my bell peppers and my carrots. I'm just going to give that a good stir and a good mix. While we're here fam, please, if you've made it this far, first of all, thank you. Please do not forget to give the video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Subscription is free. Just click on the red button and that is it. You can also turn on the post notification bell to be notified when I post videos. Now I'm just going to be adding my spaghetti, and to that I'm going to add a little bit of water just to loosen the sauce a little bit, and then I will be mixing thoroughly. This shouldn't take a long time. This should be done within like 2 minutes each. Also guys, this is where you check for taste, but if you do follow this recipe to the T, you do not have to add any other thing. Just follow the recipe and you'll get the same result that I did. Now I'm just going to be adding my chicken and my shrimp, and then I'll be mixing again while still cooking on low heat. Now I am cooking on low heat now because I don't want the spaghetti to get burnt. Just give that a good mix and your spaghetti is ready. This is it. Like, this is how you make the restaurant style spaghetti. This is what they charge people overcharge for, whatever. But this is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to give the video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to leave a comment, and please share the video. Please guys, share the video. Thank you guys. See you in my next video.